Welcome to the North Phoenix Suburban Stead. My name is Rich. Today's project, we're going to winterize the Jeep. It's the end of October, the hot season for the desert is over, and we're heading into the winter, which is the most productive and exciting time of the season here. And in order for us to do this on the Jeep, we've got to completely clean it, exterior and interior, before we take the roof off and do anything else. Which brings me to today's sponsor, who is Super Clean. Super Clean had reached out to me. They asked me if I would be interested in working with some of their products and trying it out. This is not a paid advertisement. They sent me this wicked cool hat, as well as this t-shirt and some of the product, which you're going to see me use here in today's video. So let's get on it and get this Jeep ready for the winter. Awesome. Today we're going to use the Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. Really impressed with this product. It's super easy to use. It really works well. And I know it's been a while. Meaning, this is a 2001 Jeep Wrangler. It's only 150,000 miles, over 20 years old. But still, we do take it out in the desert. We do get it very dusty and dirty. but I don't clean it that often. And these products from Super Clean just cut right through everything. Just awesome. So probably a good opportunity for me to thank the team at Super Clean. Thanks for reaching out. Thanks for identifying me. Thanks for the product and letting me play. And it's just been super, super awesome. Look at that stuff just coming right off. So here she is, the 2001 Jeep Wrangler, ready for another desert winter in Phoenix, Arizona. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing if you have to the North Phoenix Suburban Stead. And a special thanks to our sponsor, which is Super Clean Degreaser, more dissolving and degreaser, and also the wheel cleaner. Thank you very much, Super Clean. The car looks beautiful, and it's probably cleaner than it ever has been before. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.